Why does your English still sound basic? Even after years of learning? You know grammar. You know vocabulary. But when you speak, something feels missing. The reason is simple. Native speakers don't translate. They use expressions automatically. Today, I'll teach you 15 real-life English idioms that people actually use. Stay till the end.
Especially idiom number 7. Idiom number 13.
They will change how you think in English. Idiom 1. Brain on silent. It means your mind is not working properly. Example. Sorry, my brain is on silent today. Idiom 2. Life on loading. When nothing is moving forward. Example. My career feels on loading right now. Idiom 3. Confidence buffering. Confidence goes up and down. Example. Before the interview, my confidence was buffering. Idiom 4. Mood needs update. Your mood is not okay. Example. Don't ask me anything. Mood needs update. Idiom 5. Energy almost landed. You are extremely tired. Example. After work, my energy almost landed. Idiom 6. Motivation offline. No motivation at all. Example. I plan to study, but motivation went offline. Short pause. Now listen carefully. Idiom 7. Focus took a break. You are present, but your mind is not. Example. While studying, my focus took a break. Idiom 8. Talk on fast forward. Speaking too fast. Example. Slow down. You're talking on fast forward. Quick question. Do you speak English too fast or too slow? Think about it. Idiom 9. Overthinking mode on. Thinking too much. Example. At night. Overthinking mode turns on. Idiom 10. Plans without power. Ideas without action. Example. Big dreams, but plans without power. Idiom 11. Confidence on low volume. Low confidence while speaking. Example. First presentation. Confidence on low volume. Idiom 12. Mind full, battery empty. Too much mental pressure. Example. Exams leave. Mind full, battery empty. Idiom 13. Dreams need connection. Dreams need effort, not wishes. Example. Dreams need connection, not just hope. Pause longer here. Idiom 14. Confidence wakes up late. Confidence comes slowly. Example. First 5 minutes are always quiet. Idiom 15. Brain needs reboot. You need rest. Example. After exams. Brain needs reboot. Final. Now a learning secret. If you comment your favorite idiom, your brain processes it deeper. You remember it longer. This is how fast learning works. So comment below. Which idiom describes your life today? This point is important. If you want to stop sounding basic in English, like this video. Subscribe to EnglishAbhiyadav. Here, we don't memorize English. We live it.